And nothing's as bad as this. Fuck off.
Great.
Dan, show him your full head of hair. Tilt your head down.
Fucking mint, dude. Fucking mint.
We got to keep the clowns. Yo, is this running? Yep. It is? Alright.
Get a chip in you, buddy. That's beautiful. What you got to say? Ooh.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put pink in there now. And I'm gonna put
smack somebody, turn around and bitch slap somebody, but I ain't going out, bro. I ain't giving in to it. Anxiety's bashing my mind in, terrorizing my soul like Bin Laden, but I ain't falling down, bro. I won't lose control, bro. Shackled and chained, my soul feels stained. I can't explain, got an itch on my brain. Lately my whole aim is to maintain and regain control of my mainframe. My blood's boiling, it's beating out propane. My train of thoughts more like a runaway train. I'm in a fast car, driving in the fast lane. In the rain, and I might just hydroplane. I don't fear none of my enemies, and I don't fear bullets from Uzis. I've been dealing with something that's worse than these, to make you fall to your knees, and that's the anxiety. Insane and the insane rivalry. Paranoia's run me to my knees. Lord, please, 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 take away my anxiety. Insane and the insane rivalry. Paranoia's run me to my knees. Lord, please, 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 take away my anxiety. It's running away, my brother. The only thing making me stay, my brother. But I won't give in to it, bro. Gotta get myself back now. Gotta can't let my mind be inside. My enemy is my own. Got to find my inner wealth. Grasp a hold of my thoughts. I can't get caught. I can't give into it now. Emotions are trapped in on lock. Got my brain stuck going through the motions. Only I know what's up. I'm filled up with pain, try to gain my sanity. Everywhere I turn, it's a dead end in front of me. With nowhere to go, gotta shake this anxiety. Got me feeling strange, paranoia took over me, and it's weighing me down, and I can't run any longer. Y'all knees to the ground. I don't fear none of my enemies. I don't fear bullets from Uzis. I've been dealing with something that's worse than these, to make you fall to your knees, and that's the anxiety. Insane and the insane rivalry.
gear, like fourth gear with.
What do you think? How's that drone treating you?
It treated me pretty well today, actually.
Is it?
Kind of surprised. It didn't do any running away,
That's good.
and it's still in one piece.
I need a hot dog.
Alright, go for it.
You see that nice scrub and then the last line slide out, almost cased it
That
up?
thing's tossed, bud. What'd you do to that? How you doing?
That's why you don't buy a Honda.
Why? Because you're pushing it home?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're vloggers now.
We are?
Yeah. Are
What
you
do think?
geeked up?
Should I just like grow a mullet and like put it back in a ponytail? You ever seen Ross Creations?
Yeah.
Do that crap right there, get a little.
Oh! Oh!
You like that?
What?
Do that again.
No, do not.
Not impressed?
Oh shit, I broke my plastic from it.
What's that say?
Pinch me.
Pinch me? Isn't that good? Fire it off.
Can you call?
Come back.
What?
Rita.
Like to your nose. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Every time I hang out with Cam, I don't